Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a contact shoulder in home screen in Samsung A17. If you're using A17 and you want to add a contact shortcut to your home screen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app, then go for contacts, and here just select the contact for which you want to add a home screen shortcut. And I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, then tap on this info icon, then tap on three dots in the bottom right corner. Tap on Add Contact to home screen, and here you will get different options. There is direct dial, direct message, or view contact info. If you want to directly dial the number, just select the first option. Here's the direct message option, and I'm going to select view contact info just like that. Then tap on Add. It will add a contact shortcut just like that. Now, whenever you want to see the contact detail, just tap on this option and it will open that. So that's how you can easily create a contact shortcut in your home screen in any or Samsung A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.